The launch date of PiNetwork's mainnet has been difficult to predict due to several factors related to its development, technology, and strategy. Here's why. Hopes for a Pi coin launch in 2024 are fading amid concerns about the KYC verification process, falling cryptocurrency prices, and the lack of an ecosystem. PiNetwork, PI. IOU token has dropped by over 75% from its highest point this year and is hovering near its lowest level since July. This IOU is not affiliated with the official project and trades with low volumes at just a handful of exchanges. This price action is primarily driven by concerns among analysts and pioneers about whether the mainnet launch will happen later this year, as developers promised in 2023. The developers have set 3 essential conditions that must be met for Pi to transition from its enclosed mainnet to an open network. The first and simplest condition is that most pioneers must be verified to prevent spam. So far, the developers have verified over 13 million users, most of whom have moved to the mainnet. As part of this verification, the developers introduced the grace period algorithm to refine pauses based on system blocks. The grace period, which started in July, ensures that pioneers must submit their initial KYC documents within the first 3 months and complete the process within 6 months. Pioneers who fail to complete the KYC process will likely lose their accumulated tokens. PiNetwork ecosystem growth challenges. The other 2 conditions for the Pi coin launch are harder to achieve. For example, developers aim for a thriving ecosystem of decentralized applications, which would give the Pi coin more utility. The mainnet launch will occur when these dApps reach 100. It is unclear whether there are enough dApps in PiNetwork's ecosystem. Some of the most notable ones include the Pi browser and the Fireside Forum. The developers also launched the Pi ad network, which will be used to run ads within PiNetwork's dApps. The Pi coin launch will also depend on favorable market conditions or a cryptocurrency bull market. The uncertainty surrounding the launch date explains why the Pi coin IOU price has dropped by over 75% from its highest point this year. While this IOU is not officially associated with the PiNetwork project, its price would likely be performing better if there were clarity on the mainnet launch. Market timing strategic launch. The team may be waiting for favorable market conditions to maximize Pi's impact and adoption. Why it's hard to predict, the combination of technical, regulatory, and strategic considerations makes the timeline uncertain. The Pi team has stated they are focused on quality and sustainability rather than rushing the launch, which is why they avoid setting specific dates. Would you like insights on any specific aspect of PiNetwork? Vision of sustainability. The founders have emphasized creating a sustainable and decentralized ecosystem. Achieving this requires a robust plan for tokenomics, governance, and long-term utility of the Pi coin. Due to these complexities, the exact timeline for PiNetwork's mainnet launch remains uncertain. However, the phased approach reflects the team's commitment to building a reliable and impactful cryptocurrency platform.